Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to move an image in Google Docs. So let's start the video. First, open Google Docs and open the document that contains the image you want to move. Click the image once. A small toolbar will appear below the image with different text wrapping options. If you want to move the image freely, select Wrap Text or Break Text from the image toolbar. These options allow you to drag the image freely. Now click and hold the image, then drag it to your preferred location and release the mouse button to place it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.